Hi everyone, welcome to another interesting tutorial. Today I'm Dami of 𝐓𝐻𝐂𝐇. Today we'll be learning how to draft this beautiful and simple top. Is a crisscross neckline top. So if this is what you are looking at to learn, please stick to the end of the tutorial. If you are joining us for the first time, thank you for joining us today, and then please don't forget to click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime you have a new tutorial. And for our returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back. If you'd like to join my WhatsApp group, the link will be in the description box. Also, the community is open. If you have any request tutorial, so you can drop it in the community. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, and also share the video. Thank you. Alright, so to draft the top now, I've marked out the lines. This is the shoulder line, the chest line, the bust, the waist, and the length of the top. And I have my pattern paper here on fold because it's an asymmetric neckline. Like, I need both sides of the front, so I need to draft the full body. So now that we have this now, we'll just go ahead to impute all of our measurements. The shoulder divided by 2 on the shoulder line, and also on the chest line. So from the shoulder line, I will step down by 1 inch and connect to the 3 inches neck width. Alright, so this top is a free top, so it's not fitted. I'll be adding some extra allowance to the bust, the waist, and all of that. So my bust divided by 4 is 10. Then I'm going to be adding 1 inch as ease allowance. Like I said, it's not a fitted top. My waist divided by 4 is 8.5. I'll add 1 extra inch, and the hip divided by 4 is 11. I'll add 1 extra inch for ease. Alright, so this is what we have for the armhole. You divide it by 2, you step down by 1. For the front, you go in by 1 inch. Alright, so for this now, I'm going to be tracing it out to my tracing wheel to transfer it to the other side. Alright, so I've traced it out now. So before we do the alteration for the front, you can just go ahead and use this pattern, or you draft the same thing for your back bodice. So the only difference is going to be in the neckline and also the armhole. You know, we went in by 1/2 inch, 1 inch here. So when you're adding it, just add the 1/2 inch back for the cuff for the back. So once we have this now, so for the alteration of the front to crisscross now, so we'll be doing it on this side. So from this neck width now, I use 3 inches width for the neck width, and the depth also 3 inches, but we actually don't need much of the depth. So from this neck point here, I'm connecting it to the armhole. So I'll take my curve rule and connect it together. Right, so I'll connect it. So from this point here also, I will go in on the shoulder line by 3 inches. So if you don't want it to be too wide, you can use 2.5. The 3 inches is perfect. So from this 3 inches here to the center, you see the crease line for the center. So from the center on the bust line, I'm connecting it to this point. Alright, so we have this here. Then you come to the hem of the top. It's a little bit open, so you can go in by 1.5. So let's do 1.5. So from this point to this point here, I'm going to be connecting them together. Alright, so this is what the side of the crisscross is going to be looking like. So let's cut out the pattern. So this other side of the pattern, we don't need it again. So this is what the one side of the crisscross is going to be looking like. So if you double it now, I've cut the same thing here. So it's going to be like this. So it's going to be like this here. You see, you make the chest bust point. This is the back bust point. So this is how it's going to be, like this. And this part here also is going to be open. So if you don't want yours to be this open, you just go in by 1/2 inch. If you don't want this line here to be open. And also, you know, when we did as we join it to the chest line, so if you don't want it to be this open, you can just go a little bit down more than the bust point, so it will cover up. But following the style, this is what we have on the design. So this is what the front part is going to be looking like, and the back is just a normal regular one. You just alter the shoulder. So from your neck waist for the back also, you go in by 3 inches to have the same thing on the shoulder line. So thank you for joining us in our class today. If you have any question, drop it to the comment section. Don't forget to like this video and also share. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next class.